Hello, this is day 3 of staying in Trieste, and yeah, we are leaving today at 11 p.m. so we basically have the whole day to enjoy the city, walk around, and even go to the beach. Oh, it's a bit windy, but the temperature is 30 degrees, so it's good that it's windy. And yeah, so I left Jose behind. He has to do some work, and I am going on a free walking tour around Trieste because the city is full of history, and we were walking here exploring things, but we couldn't get, like where it belonged to, who built it, because Trieste now it's Italian city, but before it was part of Austrian-Hungarian Empire, and it was one of the main cities there after Budapest, Vienna and Prague. So it's quite interesting to see the stamps of all of the different ruling parties who were here. Oof. Yeah. I don't know what's with my hair. This is natural hairstyle. So anyway, I'm going on a free walking tour to explore the city, and then later I will do some shopping and we will go to the beach. So beautiful here today. This is my favorite cosmetic shop, and there is so much here and a lot of sales. So I came and I feel that I robbed the shop because I bought so many pieces, but it's for me and my friends. And so beautiful here, like the girlish paradise. So I bought another things. I went to the bakery, local pasticceria, and I bought some things for my sister. She loves to bake and she loves macaroons and stuff, so I bought for her some macaroons and cookies just from here. I chose something, and for myself as well. This is my water, so super hot, but we are going to eat some pasta. This shopping doesn't stop. I went to grocery shop, and here it is. These things I bought something for our trip, so we'll go home. This is the whole bag. So funny, but it's alright. Something super local. I like it. I just want to record how happy I am. I love it. I'm looking like I live here. I bought so much stuff. Hopefully it's all good, all delicious, and yeah, happy to be here. Just walk in the city, enjoy it, and get fulfilled for like productive work, new beginnings, new comings, everything. The place we came, and funny part, we needed to choose pasta and we didn't know what type, and she threw in just paper table, and this is so old style and local. Apparently a lot of locals are coming here to eat pasta. It's so beautiful. Can't wait for my pasta to eat. I am dying. So good. It smells amazing, right? Oh my god! Can't wait. So we took the bus and arrived to the beach. It's over there, and we have to cross the road somehow. rocks. Maybe a bit further if we go, we can find it. This is the famous Myanmar. No, I cannot pronounce it. The castle. Oh, very good. I love how the water shines under the sun. It's so good to just sit next to the sea, enjoy the sunset, and I was just sleeping, but I'm so happy with this short holiday, with the opportunity to just swim here, sit, enjoy, relax, and now I feel I'm full of energy back and I'm ready to work, to create, to do something new. Like I had a good rest from Budapest and I'm ready to go back.